Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of an easy card to envelope trick that you can do. And you just have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like, and it is a true and free selection. So let's just assume for demonstration purposes, they pick this card right here. You can even have them sign their name on it if they want. That's an optional step, but you lose a card every single time you do it, but you do have the option to give them this card as a souvenir at the end. So you take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is. You can give the deck a couple cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of their card. Now you can even take this magic wand, which is your Sharpie that you had them sign with, and just give the deck a tap, and it'll make their card vanish from this deck of cards into this sealed envelope that's been sitting here on the table the entire time. So if I just take the envelope, rip it open, there actually is one card inside of the envelope. Look at that. Wouldn't it be amazing if that were their signed card, the 8 of clubs? And that's easy card to envelope. Now, before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to support the channel and become a channel member, you can do that all through YouTube below, okay? Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, now for the tutorial. Easy card to envelope. You're gonna need a gimmick card for this trick, and it's kind of neat because you do have them sign the card and you can give this out as a souvenir, and there's no palming involved, etc. So you wanna prepare the envelope, and you're gonna need to just use a double-backed card. These come in red, they come in blue, and if you want, you can actually make one yourself, or you can go to thebestmagicshop.com and you can get a 7-gaff card set. A red and a blue double back comes within this 7-card gaff set, along with 5 other cards. So it's a really neat little set to have, and you can get the option of cheap shipping, which is just the cost of a postage stamp, whatever it may be, at the time you order it, and these come out to you in the mail, and they're really great to have. Okay, so it's like pretty much all the gaff cards that you're going to need to do a bunch of tricks. Okay, and there's a bunch of tutorials that are on here too that comes with on the back of here that teach you how to do a whole bunch of different tricks with each one of these cards. So you have your double back card, place it in the envelope, seal the envelope. Okay, and this is similar to card and wallet. It just uses a, sealed envelope instead of pulling the card out of your wallet, and the envelope can be, inside the whole time. Okay, so now you have a card in here, sealed envelope. Have a spectator select any card that they want, and they can sign it. And now you just want to get their card, and I'm using old decks here, so this doesn't even have 52 cards in it, just because I'm, getting rid of a card every time I do this trick. So have them sign it. Then you want to get their card to the top. So what I did was just place it in about halfway in the deck, pushed it in a little bit, and then on the final push, I'll push down with my thumb and then push the card in, and then that'll maintain a break with my pinky. So their card is on top of this bottom half stack right here. Then I'll just cut about half of these top stack of cards, place them on the table. The next cut I'll do is right at the break, place them on the table, and then the third one, just drop the rest of the cards on top. And that gets you their selected card on top of the deck, okay? You can shuffle as many times as you want, just as long as you maintain their card on the top, okay? I missed it that time, so you don't want to do it that way. You just shuffle and then shuffle these cards last, because this is their card, over and over and over again. You can shuffle as many times as you want. That keeps their card on top. Now, to go to reveal, you say I had a card in here in this envelope, it's sealed. You just tear it open. Don't tear the card, so make sure you're careful about that. You can actually show that there is a card in here, and when you pull it out, it doesn't matter which side you use. You just show one side of this double back card, place it on top. Now you do a double lift, so you're showing 2 cards as one, okay? However you want to do your double lift, it's up to you. Turn the top 2 cards over now. So this is the double back card, this is their selected card, and then you can reveal that that's their card. And because this is a double back card, there's no, you can spread the cards out like this and show that it's just a regular deck of cards. And if you want, you can ditch this into your lap or put the deck away, however you want to do that, and then you're clean with a regular deck of cards. But you do now have a double back card on there once you reveal this card. But they're looking at this card anyways, and they're signed it, and then you give it to them as a souvenir, and they'll remember you for the rest of their life, okay? So that's easy card to envelope. Please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and make sure you are subscribed so you can get and ring that bell on YouTube so you're notified when I post new tutorials. I post new tutorials about once a week, usually on Wednesday mornings. So if you want to get notified when a new trick comes out, just make sure you have that bell ring, and YouTube will notify you when I post a new video. Okay, hope you enjoy, and until next time.